Rahim Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Viewers, Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Today our lecture is about list. List plays a very important role in Python. If you want to be successful in Python programming, so you should have a solid understanding in list. We're gonna go through step by step using w3schools.com. You can open that along with me and we can carry out different exercise to understand the list from very basic, and we build it up slowly and gradually. So without any further delay, so we are on w3schools.com and the topic we're going to cover is list. So the list is a collection which is ordered and changeable, and it allows duplicate members. So later on we're going to talk about tuples, sets, and dictionary, but today our topic is about list. Okay, the first thing is, if you want to define a list, so this is a list of fruits. So this is a list. You can name it anything you like. So, and the only thing is you need to make sure this bracket at the beginning and the end, and each element in double quote, which is a string. So you can define any list that you like. So that's how we define a list. Okay, and if you want to print it, just give the name of the list. And if you want to print a particular element within the list, you just give this thing within a bracket which represent the index, as you can see here. Okay, so this will give you the first, because the list starts with the 0 index, so that's 0, 1, and 2. Okay, so accessing an item, in the previous example I've give you an example of accessing, so that's how we access. So this is index 1, which is basically second element. If you want to access the third element, which is, so it starts from 0, 1, and 2, so that will be that will print cherry within the list. Okay, so that's how you access it. So defining a list and accessing a list are two important things in Python programming. Okay, the next thing is we can access the list from negative index, which means like previously we start accessing the items from this side, from left to right. If you want to access from right to left, sometimes we have a requirement, we want to pick it up and items from the very end and pick it up last 2 items or 3 items, stuff like that. So this is basically saying this list minus 1, which means give me from the back side of the list, which is picking it up this element. And if you give him a 2, so that will give you the from the at the very end of the list, picking up the second element, which is a banana. Okay, so sometimes you have a requirement that you want to pick it up number of items from the list. Here we have said that we have a list where we have got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. So here we have previously we only use this, which was an index 2, but now what we got, we put a colon and then we define it the end item. So this is saying that start from index 2, which means 0, 1, 2. Okay, and then say that give me the element till index 5. So index 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the 5 element will not be included, but this index will be included. So this you need to be making sure that if you want to include that, the this element melon as well, which is index 0 1 2 3 4 5. So then you have to give him 6. So then it will go to the element of 6, but it will include melon as well. Okay, so let's say if I'm interested in to pick it up, let's say if I want to pick it up from banana and I want to pick it up till orange. So banana is index 1, and so 1, and then it's 2 and 3. If I want to include this one as well, so then I will go to 4. So let's run that. Yeah, so you can see that. So I have picked it up banana, cherry, orange. The last index is not included, thus you need to make it sure. Remember that the first item is position 0, and note that the item in position 5, which we have done in a previous example, is not included. Okay, so this is very important for you to understand. Okay, so the next thing is sometimes we have a requirement that we want to just say that from the beginning up till index give me the values. From here we are saying till index 4, so 0 1 2 3 4, that is index 4, but the 4 is not included, which is the 5th item. So it will start from the beginning. Previously we gave him the start, but here we are not giving the start. So what we saying that I want you to give me all the element from the beginning up till index 4, which is the 5th. So it will give me before the index 4, which is the 5th item. So it will only include these many items. Okay, so if you say 3, so which means the 3 index will not be included, which is means 0 1 2 3. So this will not be included and only give you these 3 items if we run them. Okay, as you can see that. So it only printed 3 items: apple, banana, and cherry. Sometimes you have a requirement like this that you do not want to the beginning of the index and the end. You just say that I want you to give me from the beginning and up till that index. Okay. Sometime you start the index from the beginning and you want to take it to the very end. Here we're saying that start from index number 2, which is 0 1 2, which is till here, and then it is saying at the end. If you do not define any index value after the colon, it will go to the very end. And in the previous case it was the other way around. We put it a value like that. It means like this. So it means like from this side start giving me and up till index 2, and 2 will not be included. So which mean 0 and 1, these two will be given. But if we do the other way around, if he's saying that give me from 4, so it means 0 1 2 3 4 and go till up till end. So then it will give you those element. Okay, so as you can see that it started from index 4, which is the 5th element, and then till the very end. So this is very powerful way of extracting a range of element within list. Okay. So the next one is we can also do negative index, which means as from the back side this way. So is -1, -2, -3, -4, and I say from -4 and you just go up till -1, and the -1 will not be included, as you can see that previously. So it will go from -4, which is so -1, -2, -3, -4 from orange up till -1. -1 is this one, this will not be included and will only give you these ones. Okay. So if you take this out, so what does that mean? So from -4 up till the very end, so it should give you all the value till the very end. Okay, and as you can see that it has started from -4 index and it went up till the very end. Okay, so here is some text for you to read it, so which will help you to understand this. Viewers, we will continue our topic about lists in Python, and we will build it up some more complicated stuff in list. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Share this video with your friend, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in a next lecture. Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Stay tuned. Bye bye.